Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I started this channel recently. It's the 15th day, I guess, where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 12th March 2021. So this video is for 12th March only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again. Oh, tomorrow is Saturday. Okay, I'll be coming or you'll see me again on Monday. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay. So right now we can see that market is trading at 109, and there is no doubt that market is a beautiful uptrend. Okay, after that market took rest for a while and after the market is going up again. So in a trending market like this, things are not very complicated. We already know it very well. Okay. So what should be the strategy? Okay, in a trending market we just need to find the area of value and then execute the trade. Okay, for this market USD Japanese yen, okay, we need to look for two spots, okay, that will match the area of value. Let me take out the pencil first. Okay, so you can see that for there is a line here and the line is at 109.20. So if you find the price above 109.20, okay, then just wait for 1 hour, just see how the price is behaving above the line. So if you see that price is trading comfortably above 109.20 level, that means that the resistance has become the support and you can go for a buy order. Okay, so this is your first place where you can go for a buy order. Or on the other hand, you can wait for the market to come down a little bit again, okay, so that you can catch the market when the market will be in oversold soon. Okay, let me show you. You can see that right now stochastic, the position of stochastic RSI is here. Okay, so in that case you can wait for stochastic RSI to cool off, okay, to come down to the oversold level. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in oversold level, and from there when it will be ready to go up again, just see the position of the price. So if you see that the price is above the 50 moving average or nearby 50 moving average, see, because generally if it takes support at the moving average, then it's well and good, but USD Japanese yen is not taking support at the 50 moving average. So if you see that when stochastic RSI will be oversold zone, just check whether the market is above the 50 moving average or not. If you see that okay, it is still trading above the 50 moving average, you can go for a buy order. And in case it comes down and takes support at the 50 moving average and you see some price rejection from below or a hammer pattern, okay, or hammer pattern like this, okay, then that's the golden spot to execute the buy order. So these are the simple strategies that you can follow for a trending market like USD Japanese yen, because things are not very complicated in a trending market. Okay, you just need to find the best place to click on the buy order. So hopefully you've understood that the first position is above this line. Okay, let the market cross this line, then go for a buy order. And secondly, wait for the stochastic RSI or market to come to the oversold zone, and when from oversold zone it will be going up again, grab it. Okay, so these are the two simple strategies that you can follow for US dollar Japanese yen for 12 March 2021. So if you have liked the video, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. See ya on Monday with the analysis of other pairs including US Japanese yen. And do follow or check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Good luck. See ya on Monday and do not forget to subscribe.